Okay guys, this is my first day on the planter. I am like so excited. This is gonna be awesome. I mean, like, how cool is this whole setup? I mean, you got like buttons to I probably shouldn't press that one. But I mean, like, check it out, like 3 monitors. I mean, look at that. This is gonna be so epic. Alright guys. I don't know. What is this, my 10th day, maybe? I don't know. I lost track of time. Turns out, planting is not as exciting as it seems. All I really do is press the button and it goes. And beeps. All the time. Hey guys, just wanted to show you around the tractor a little bit. So this obviously has a plus and minus. You can see here, plus and minus. That allows you to add or subtract numbers on the great calculators we have here. See, it's really a great finance desk because you got 3 of them here. But you can also play decent video games here, which is what these buttons are here for. Also, gives you a nice line here to see that you're, yep. Look guys, I'm driving a tractor, not even using my feet. And I can even do no hands. What sits atop Faneuil Hall? The reply better be white grasshopper. Of course. Hi guys, we're planting 40,000 seeds per acre, and we are doing 20 acres an hour, which means that we are planting 800,000 seeds per hour, which also means that we are planting 13,333.33 seeds a minute, which also means that we are planting 222.222222222222222222222. Oh, sorry. For a long time. Every second. Wow. Guys, I was just looking at this tractor, and I found this button right here. Eco. I'm driving a 295 horsepower diesel tractor, and I have an eco choice? We're not some part of some Go Green environmentalist group. Well, okay, we are part of the Go Green, as in green and yellow John Deere. But no, we're not a part of those, the Go Green. Okay, like, the last thing I'm thinking about is an eco option. Hey, I'm gonna a couple more snacks. How about out? Thanks. Everything is going great here. I mean, the seed is going in the ground, the weather is beautiful, and, okay, there's a couple problems, but I mean, other than that, everything is beautiful, and I mean, it's just, well, I mean, I guess the neighbors needed a new gate in their fence anyways. I mean, it's going great. Guys. It is going terrible. The weather, it's about to rain, which means we're going to have to stop planting, which means that we won't be able to finish planting by the time we need it, which means that we won't be able to focus on harvest, which obviously means everything is ruined. I mean, it's just all ruined. Like, This one sensor, yeah, see, it's not reading perfectly, which means that we're not putting enough seeds in the ground, which probably means that there's going to be more weeds that'll grow up, which obviously means the weeds are going to take over, which, I mean, there's just going to be no crop at all when we harvest. So I don't even know why I'm doing this out here, because the weeds are going to take over the world and we're all going to die.